Heads I win, tails I don't lose much. The best investors do not target returns. They focus first on minimizing downside risk. The key in investing is to be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Take advantage of mispriced bets where the odds are heavily in your favor. If you protect the downside, the upside takes care of itself. Few bets, big bets, infrequent bets. Focus on the intrinsic value, not the noise of the market. Be a cloner. If a great investor makes a move, consider cloning it. When you see a mispriced bet, you pounce. But you don't pounce every day. Most of the time, patience trumps action in investing. Find businesses with durable moats that are temporarily in distress. The art of investing is about minimizing errors, not maximizing returns. The fewer decisions you make in investing, the better. Wait for the fat pitch. You don't need to swing at everything. You don't make money when you buy. You don't make money when you sell. You make money by waiting. Stay within your circle of competence and be very disciplined about it. Value investing is at its core the marriage of a contrarian streak and a calculator. Always look for asymmetric risk-reward situations. A business with a durable moat can withstand a lot of external shocks. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. I'm a shameless cloner. Cloning great ideas is one of the most powerful ways to succeed. Don't be original for the sake of being original. If something works, clone it. Learning from the successes and failures of others is the fastest way to improve. Find the best players in the game and try to emulate their strategies. Read voraciously and learn continuously. Invert, always invert. Look at problems backward and forward. Your biggest edge in investing is being patient and thinking independently. Model your behavior after those who have achieved extraordinary success. The best way to learn is by studying the greatest investors of all time. Avoid hubris. The moment you think you know everything is when you lose. Successful investing is about being prepared, not predicting. Don't invest based on stories. Invest based on data and logic. Sometimes the best action is inaction. Discipline trumps brilliance in the long run. Have the humility to admit when you're wrong and move on. Be fearful of leverage and overconfidence. Never get emotional about your investments. Don't confuse activity with productivity. In investing, less is often more. If you can't explain why you own a stock in 30 seconds, you shouldn't own it. Patience is the ultimate competitive advantage in investing. Focus on creating value, and the rewards will follow. Always play the long game, both in business and in life. Find what you love to do, and you'll never work a day in your life. Compounding applies not just to money, but also to relationships, knowledge, and reputation. Success comes from doing fewer things, but doing them better. Live your life by an inner scorecard, not an outer one. The journey is more important than the destination. Give generously without expecting anything in return. Be honest, be ethical, and play the game the right way. Success is a byproduct of consistent, deliberate effort over a long period. Bet big when you have a huge advantage. Otherwise, stay on the sidelines. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Good investing is about keeping things simple and not trying to be too clever. Success in investing doesn't come from predicting the future, but from preparing for it. Be obsessive about learning from the mistakes of others to avoid making them yourself. Thank you for watching.